Hello magic makers, it's Derek Izama welcoming you to the Money Making Magic channel. Today, I'll be sharing the Hamster Kombat daily trade combo cards for 5 million coins. Okay, so let's get started. Now, click on the daily combo button. Good, I've done that. Now we are under the PR and Team tab. So let's scroll down. I can see UX and UI team card. Let's click on that. Okay, go ahead. Cool, first card is ready, don't stop. Now let's go to get the second card. I will go to the special tab. Let's click on that. Now I'm going to click on the new cards tab. Okay, now I can see Rayad Masters 2024. Let's click on that. Okay, go ahead. The second card is assembled just a little bit late. That's good. We have got the second card. Let's look for the third card. We are still under the special tab. And under my card, let's go down. There is CS of Istanbul. Click on it. Now go ahead. That's it for the third card. CX Istanbul. Good job, see you. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more great videos. Catch you in the next one.